Hi guys, in today's video I want to talk about a recent project that we were moving live with and it didn't exactly go to plan. So it was about 3 months ago. We were finishing off some major upgrades for an existing website and we'd done all of our QA checks on the staging and development environment. The client had signed off on everything and was happy with the way things were looking and functioning, and it was launch day, so it was time to deploy the changes. And we'd scheduled in some time where there was low traffic on the live site to make sure that there wouldn't be any sort of issues if there was some unforeseen things. And now in this circumstance, actually, there was something we completely overlooked on the server. When we rolled things out, initially things looked fine and we were kind of happy that, it was a major upgrade and it went well. Now there was something we missed on the server and this resulted in an outage for one part of the website. And we, at the start, obviously were a little bit stressed out because it's natural to do so, but we have done a fair few rollouts in the last, say, 8 or so years that we've been running the company. And in that time, we've realized that, look, there are some times where accidents do happen, but it's not so much about the accident or the problem. It's really about your perspective when those things happen that matters the most in the long run. Because if you, say, give 2 people the exact same problem, they can have completely different outcomes purely based on their perspective. One person can be extremely stressed and think it's the end of the world. Another person can think, okay, look, this is a way we've learned how not to do this in the future. We can add this to our checklist and it's an opportunity for growth and we'll be a better team for coming together for it. Now, to me, it really just illustrated the importance of that. And in the end, our team did quite a good job. It only was about 15 minutes of downtime. The client was happy. No one was really affected by the change because we had a few ways to mitigate the risk, such as doing the rollout overnight and just having some backups in place to easily roll back if we weren't able to solve the issue as quickly as we'd liked. So let me know below any thoughts about this and would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Cheers.